Hey loves, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video I did a get ready with me, and it's a back to school edition. I mean, I know it's way past resumption, but this look is a timeless look. And come on, like, take a vibe. This is giving. I love everything from the hair to the makeup. I mean, this transformation was something I really enjoyed doing, and I really hope you enjoy watching. Okay, so just sit back and enjoy. So I put some water on my hair to make it soft before I comb, because my hair has a lot of undergrowth. I mean, my hair is relaxed just once. I was on natural hair before, then I relaxed it, I think April, and I'm yet to relax it again. And I don't even want to relax it yet. So I'm just weaving the hair in two parts, like so. And yeah, that's it. So when I got to the center, I had to pause and divide the hair rightly at the back there, so it's going to be even. So I finished halfway through, then I did the other side. So I'm just joining the two of them, the two strands together. Is this a strand? I don't know. I'm just joining the two parts together like this, so it's compressed even more. Then I'm rolling it up like so. So I'm using this Nova Gold foaming mousse, or styling mousse rather, to just lay down my hair and make it very flat. Now I'm brushing it appropriately. So this is an old crochet that I used a long time ago, and I just kept it by the side. And I'm using this crochet instead of an attachment because of the texture of my hair. This one looks, the texture of this crochet looks more like my hair compared, as opposed to an attachment. So I just twisted some strands like this, and then I tied it with a rubber band. I prefer using a black rubber band to avoid it showing through my hair. I use that I use the brush to hold it down, so I'm able to get the band when I need it. So I'm attaching the band to my hair like this, and then just basically wrapping it around. Can you see the texture of this crochet, how it looks more like my hair? Because my hair has a lot of undergrowth, I just felt this would be better than using an attachment. So if you have a relaxed hair, if your hair is more silky, like, using an attachment would be the best option. But in this case, my hair looked more like a natural hair, so I needed to use this crochet extension. Yeah, so that's it. Very simple, easy peasy. Like, you don't have to rob the bank or break the bank. And that's it. So I'm using this edge control to lay down my edges. I noticed with this edge control that if I apply it and then I don't press down my hair with a scarf or something, it's going to be leaving this white cast afterwards. So what I usually do is when I lay down my edges, I always go in with a scarf, which I'm going to do along the way. I'm going to lay down the hair with a scarf as well to, make it look even better. So this is the hair after I finished laying with the edge control, and I'm going in with this scarf. I don't know if it's a silky scarf, but I don't know if you can tell the texture from the camera from this video, but yeah, I just laid down my hair, tied it so firmly, and guys, you will love the way this hair come out by the time you're loosening your scalp. Like it's a very wonderful hack I've been using for a long time now. And so yeah, that's it though. That's how I did the hair. That's what I did with the hair. So I'm just removing my ear so it's safe. And then I just wrap it with this nets. So it's makeup time, yay! So I went in with this face wipes and the Garnier masala water to clean my face before applying any makeup on it. So when I was done cleaning, I let it just dry down a little before using my simple moisturizer to moisturize my skin. Guys, your skin needs a lot of moisture, like especially your face, so don't be stingy. I topped this moisture with the Kiss Beauty setting spray, and yeah, I let it dry down, and I'll be using this Rimmel Stay Matte face primer everywhere else except my under eye. So I learned this hack. I can't even remember where I learned it. Using my concealer, like a concealer, my skin tone, like my skin shade, to conceal the dark spots or dark circles I have around my eye area and then around my lips. And guys, I could tell the difference. It was so clear. And in fact, I'm sticking with this. I'm not going to stop, right? So just get used to it already. I really love the difference I noticed doing this. So I used a brush to just blend it before I went in with the beauty sponge to blend it further. So I'll be using this V Beauty foundation on my face, and then when I was using it, I noticed that it was quite lighter, just a little. Then I mixed it with this Super Stay Maybelline foundation, and I just more like making this other foundation like a contour shade or something. So I just use it to contour the perimeter of my face. Is that correct? Well, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, and I started blending. I blend like this. Can you see how perfect this combo is? Like, come on, the match was divine. Like, it looked absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I went in with this Toast Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Toast, and then I'm using this Avon concealer. I don't know the shade, I'm so sorry. I just mixed two of them, and I'm applying it on my T-zone to highlight my face. So it's best to always make your beauty sponge damp before you start using it. And then if you're applying a concealer, make sure that the sponge is not empty. Like you rub the product on the beauty sponge first off. So the beauty sponge that is damp is not picking up the products tickets. So after blending, I went in with this compact powder, my powder palette, to just trap some oil and apply it to the face first of all before I go with my setting powder. Guys, I like doing this because it helps to control the final shade or tone of my powder when I'm done. So after setting with the Sacha Buttercup, I'm just brushing the full face with my powder color. So I use this V Beauty compact powder to contour my face. I don't know why this video is looking blur, but just bear with me, please. Okay. So I just use this V Beauty powder to contour my the edge of my face. I also use a little of it to, you know, snatch my nose. But I'm using this palette, this eyeshadow palette from Zaron. I'm using the orange shade there to lighten up my face. The blush, blush. I like to add a little of that blush tone to the places where I highlight. Just I don't like it looking so dark, so I rather it has like a mix of tone than just having that very dark shade on it. So my blush was given, like, I loved it. So I did my brows off camera, and guys, I think so far this has to be the best brows I've done in a long time. And I tried something different, and I absolutely loved it. I can't wait to give you guys the full tea of how I do my brows. Don't worry, just I owe you that. Just hang on, right? So I started doing my eyeshadow, and then I used an orange shade from that palette, and I went in again with that same powder I used to contour my face, the V Beauty powder, to contour that eye region. I did something very simple on my eyes, right? So I was going for a simple look, so I didn't want anything dramatic. I went in with this brownish shade. I don't know if this is a brown color or what, but I just love the way it came out. I used eyeliner on my eyes, and I can tell the difference from just looking at the video. I hope you can. So I'm just dusting off the powder, the excess powder I used in baking my face, and then I'm using a powder again, my skin tone, to just blend out everything. That's it. I went in with the Kiss Beauty spray again. Then I did the mascara. You want to do your mascara after using the setting spray, not before, so mascara doesn't ruin your makeup, right? So I like to raise my eye like this so it doesn't stain my eyeshadow. And then I'm using this nylon. I'm using this nylon to control the mascara from staining my under eye, basically. And that's it, guys. I did my lashes off camera, and I'm highlighting my face with this Flawless Ivy palette. See how everything is just coming together, like, I love. So it's lipstick it's lipstick time, and I'm going for a nude or like a neutral tone because I want everything very simple. I went in with this Davis pencil to line my lips. Then I'm just filling the lips up with the same pencil. And then this is a concealer. That same concealer that I said is my shade. It's the Avour concealer actually. You can use a concealer your shade. It's like a brown. It's brownish and just calm. So instead of, if you don't have a brown lipstick, you can use your concealer. Girl, come on. Then I went in with this lipstick. It's like a nudish lipstick and it's bright. So I wanted to just brighten up the underlip. And then that's it, baby girl, that's it. I use this setting powder, my Satra setting powder, to just set everything. And trust me, when you do this, that lipstick is not going anywhere. Drink water, whatever you want to do it. I bet you this lipstick is going to stay like this until you're ready. So when I was done, I just used the Davis pencil again to just emphasize on the lining of the lips, and that's it. Easy peasy. You don't need to rub the bank. Come on, you know I'm here for you always, girl. That's it. You have your nude perfect lip combo. Oh well, it's time to unveil the hair, and guys, drum rolls, please. Like drum rolls. Come on. Like, see how this hair is looking. Like, see the way the texture of my hair looks so beautiful and amazing. Apart from the styling moves that did a lot, I mean, pressing down this hair with the scarf was a huge difference. And see how flat and sweet this hair is looking. That's it, guys. Everything came together. Easy peasy, right? You know I'm your girl. You know I'm your go-to girl. Come on. Like, I love this look. Everything is just looking so simple. Like, I love it. And amazing. Like, I hope you're wowing where you are. Well, that's it. I'm just feeling myself and just flaunting it. No, smiling. Get you a good makeup artist on your wedding day. Get you a good makeup artist on your big day and smile all the way. Guys, I love this look. And this is even without ring light or anything. I was literally using sunlight to make this video. So I was just trying to show you here how I use a glass when I'm on makeup. I just apply a little of my setting powder on that place where I was going to be touching my nose, and then I just put it on. See, when I put it out like this, it's not picking up my makeup, and my glasses still came out clean. So this is the makeup when I used my ring light and then the LED light. Guys, can you see? This is not a joke. We are not playing here, I mean, see how this look is given. Absolutely. So I mean, that's it for this look. I really hope you enjoyed this transformation. Yeah, this is my bag I'm using to go to school. My lecture notes are inside, and yeah, I'm zooming off. Bye guys, thanks for watching.